Today we will discuss the average order of Dn. Dn is number of divisors of n. So we'll discuss the average order of Dn. For this, let's discuss a theorem. For all x greater than equal to 1, we have summation n is less than equal to x dn equals to x log x plus big O of x. Its proof is, since we have dn is summation of 1 which runs over d that divides n. As we know, dn is number of divisors of n. Therefore, summation n less than equal to x dn is equal to summation n less than equal to x summation of 1 which runs over d divides n, which is a double sum extended over n and d. Since d divides n, therefore we can write n equals to qd and extend the sum over all pairs of positive integers qd with qd is less than equal to x. Thus, summation n is less than equal to x dn equals to summation 1 which runs over lattice point qd such that qd is less than equal to x. Now from double summation we made a single summation. The sum in this equation 1 counts number of lattice points which lie on the hyperbola qd equals to n, corresponding to n equals to 1, 2, 3, so on up to syntax. Since we are considering natural number, n is natural number, so it will tend to syntax. Syntax is greatest integer function. For each fixed d is less than equal to x, we may count first those lattice points in the horizontal line segment 1 less than equal to q less than equal to x by d, and then sum over all d less than equal to x. Firstly, we will fix d and count q. Fixing d is less than equal to x, we will found q by this, and then we will find all d's which are less than or equal to x. So this is the hyperbola I was talking about. This is hyperbola qd equals to 4, this is qd equals to 1. So let we fix some d, so we'll find q accordingly, and then we'll find d less than equal to x. Then summation n is less than equal to x dn equals to summation d less than equal to x, and then summation q less than equal to x by d of 1. Now we know that summation 1 q is less than equal to q x by d equals to x by d big O of 1. This is from a theorem which states summation n is less than equal to x of 1 is equal to x plus big O of 1. Therefore, summation n less than equal to x dn equals to summation d is less than equal to x by d plus big O of 1. So now, which is equal to x into summation d less than equal to 1 by d is less than equal to x plus summation d is less than equal to x big O of 1. Now this can be written as big O of x. So next we have a theorem. Summation n is less than equal to x 1 by n is equal to log x plus c plus big O of 1 by x, where c is Euler's constant. So from this theorem we get this equation equals to x log x into log x plus c plus big O of 1 by x plus big O of x, which is equal to x log x plus x से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया हमने, सी एक्स आ गया यहाँ पे, x इंटू बिग ऑफ एक्स इंटू बिग ऑफ एक्स. So सी एक्स इज इक्वल टू सम कॉन्स्टेंट टाइम्स एक्स विच कैन बी रिटन एज बिग ऑफ एक्स, एंड एक्स इंटू बिग ऑफ 1 बाई एक्स हमारे पास बिग ऑफ एक्स के इक्वल होता है. सो कंबाइनिंग दीज थ्री टर्म्स it reduces to big O of x. Combining last three terms together, we get summation n is less than equal to x dn equals to x log x plus big O of x. So यही हमें प्रूव करना था. तो इस थ्योरम की क्रोलरी है एवरेज ऑर्डर ऑफ dn is log n. By above theorem we have summation n less than equal to x dn is equal to x log x plus b co of x. Now average order of dn is written like this, which is equal to 1 by n summation k is less than equal to n d of k, which is equal to 1 by n log n plus b co of n from this, which is equal to n log n, हमने 1 by n से मल्टीप्लाई किया log n प्लस 1 by n b co of n. इसको पूरी इक्वेशन को हम log n से डिवाइड करेंगे, सो वी गेट this thing is equal to 1 plus b co of n divided by n log n, which tends to 1 as n tends to infinity, because as n tends to infinity this term will tend to 0, so whole term will tend to 1, which implies average order of dn is asymptotic to log n, because if limit n tends to infinity fx over gx tends to 1, then fx is asymptotic to gx, so we get dn is asymptotic to log n. Mode of average order of dn is asymptotic to log n, which implies average order of dn is log n. क्योंकि दोनों asymptotic हैं, so it will be similar to this, so we get average order of dn is log n.